Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Now, for today, we will start our revision work, and you have to do this revision work in your notebooks, SST notebooks. So, open your SST notebooks, and how you will do this revision work, just now going to inform you. First, let me know that everybody has typed present in the chat box for your attendance. Everybody has typed present in the chat box.
Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
Okay, those who have not typed, those who had forgot, please type present in the chat box for your attendance. Now, one by one, I will repeat the questions and you are going to write down only the answers. You will give the question number, that answer number one, so
मैम
and so.
जैसे क्वेश्चन ऊपर डालेंगे सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री रिवीजन वर्क, फिर ऐसे डालेंगे क्वेश्चन वन, फिर डायरेक्ट नीचे आंसर लिख देंगे.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखना है आपको. You don't have to write down the question. You just have to give the number. Answer one, answer two, answer three, like this. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And nobody will give the answer. Otherwise, I will mute you, unmute you. Here. Clear? कोई भी आंसर नहीं बताएगा इसमें से, और जिसने भी लिखा आंसर चैट बॉक्स में या स्पीक जोर से आंसर दिया, तो आई विल रिमूव यू फ्रॉम द क्लास. ठीक है? So this is a revision. You have to just, I want to know that you have started your revision or not exactly by yourself. History lesson 1 only. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. Everybody has written revision work 1 history and with today's date. Write down today's date. Arish, switch on your video mode if you are having a video. वीडियो में दिखाइए आप नोटबुक ओपन करके. आरिश, अंजलि एंड आर्यन. आरिश, अंजलि एंड आर्यन.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करके मुझे शो करिए नोटबुक्स. हेलो.
मैम हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर फर्स्ट की.
नहीं, अभी जो आप वर्क कर रहे हैं ना, वो कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया है, बट जस्ट आई वांट टू सी दैट. यस, एनीबडी हु वांट्स टू.
मैम सबको नोटबुक दिखानी है.
हाँ, आप लोगों को जो भी दिखा सकता है वो आप अपनी ऑडियो वीडियो खोल करके और मुझे आप अपनी नोटबुक्स दिखाइए कैसे आप वर्क शुरू कर रहे हैं.
मैम आई एम टेकिंग इन पीसी.
You want to do the what happened? Yes.
मैम मेरी देख लो ना एक बार.
मैम
हाँ.
आई एम टेकिंग क्लास इन पीसी, तो मैम हाउ कैन.
Okay, no problem. How can means you can check the question from your PC, personal computer, and notebook can be in front of you, na? Yes, good. Vineet, I have
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
you. Yes. Free.
मैम एक बार मेरा देख लो ना.
हाँ, बताइए कौन विनीत.
यस मैम.
हाँ, विनीत, I have seen. Good. Subject history, class 8th, revision work. Yes, good. Like this only you have to write it down. Okay. Revision work 1, history, and today's date. For today's date also. Yes, good. Shubham, yes. Yes, okay. Now, yes. Vedanshi also. Okay. Now, first
Ma'am.
question. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not having my notebook right now.
Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened, beta? Where is your
Ma'am,
note?
I am in my brother and sister's house.
Okay, no problem. Any rough notebook or paper is there with you? रफ नोटबुक या कहीं वहां से कहीं कोई पेपर या रफ नोटबुक
Yes,
या
ma'am.
ब्लैंक पेपर है
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें आप कर लीजिए. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. Now, first question is, nobody is going to speak any answer. Just you have to write down in your notebooks carefully. Clear? Then I will ask you to show your notebook. Anybody can be asked to show the notebook for the answer. So everybody has to write down the answer immediately. Clear? Now, first question, who was the last Viceroy of India? Options are given, Lord Canning, Lord Mountbatten, Ripon or Lord Wellesley.
मैम आंसर आप बताओगे, हमें खुद लिखना है.
You have to write down the answer, beta, yourself, and then I will ask. Then when I will give you the answer, then you have to check your books. कि आपने सही लिखा है या नहीं लिखा है. Clear? Only just now you have to write down the answer with your own self. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then if you have written, then those who have written one by one, show me the notebook. First answer what you have written. What you have written first answer?
Lord Mountbatten. Nikita
Yes.
Siag, Lord Mountbatten.
Yes. Nikita Siag, Vineet.
Ma'am Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your name and give the answer then.
Ma'am, Lord Mountbatten.
Very good. Next year, anybody else? Please, you also Lord Mountbatten? Yes, good. Yes, now I am able to see. Yes.
Franklin Mountbatten.
Yes.
Lord Mountbatten.
Okay, fine. So the correct answer will be the Lord Mountbatten. Next is medieval period was the, now start writing again. Medieval period was the old period of history, the period associated with growth of all the forces of modernity, yeah, none of the above. Medieval period was. Out of three, which is the correct one? Yes, anybody?
मैम शुभांग,
Yes, Shubham?
the old period of history.
No, beta. Medieval, old to ancient.
Second, ma'am, second, the period associated with the growth of all forces and modernity.
Ma'am.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, none of the above.
Yes, none of the above. Because old period is called as ancient, and the period associated with growth of all the forces of modernity is the modern, the third period. Clear? So the answer will be none of the above here. So those who have written incorrect answer, you just put a line with the pen or your pencil and write down the correct answer. Done this one. Second one. Now third. The British thought surveys were important for.
मैम शुभांग,
Yes, Shubham.
effective administration.
Effective administration.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, Nikita Siag, effective administration.
Okay. Everybody has written the effective. Those who have written effective administration, then put a correct mark there. If you all have written effective administration, तब तो आप correct करो. Otherwise, if incorrect answer, any other answer you have given, write down the correct answer in front. Now, fourth one, the British preserved official documents because nobody will speak. The preserved documents reveal the progress made by the country in the past, or one can study the notes and reports which were prepared in the past, or their copies may be made and used in the modern times, or the fourth option is also there, that is all the above. British preserve official documents. Why? Written the answer?
Manpreet, all of the above.
Very good. All of the above. The answer will be all of the above. They preserve the documents so that they reveal the progress of the country also of the past. Then notes and reports were also prepared in the past. Then copies were also used in the modern times. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, now fifth. Which one of the sources do historians use in writing about the last 250 years of Indian history?
Manpreet,
Yes,
the
please.
official records of British administration.
Yes, Mehak.
Yes, ma'am. B.
Official records of British
Ma'am, B.
records of British administration.
Good.
official records of
Good. Those who have written this official records of the British administration, that means it is the correct answer. Any other answer, if it is given, French administration, church administration, then it is wrong. Write down the correct answer. This. Clear? Now coming to the sixth question. Which of the following is not the period of division of Indian history by James Mill? No, first write down the answer. Written? Which of the following is not the
Six.
Ma'am, D.
sixth? Which of the following is not the
Ma'am,
D.
D. Six.
very good. Good. D part, that is Sikh. Sikh was not the division, Hindu, Muslim, and Christians were the division given by James Mill. Okay. Next. Which is not the source of describing history? Which is not. Be careful, which is not. Diaries of people, conversation between two people, accounts of pilgrims and village travelers, or autobiographies, important personalities. Which is
Conversation between two people.
Ma'am,
B.
Conversation between two people.
okay. As the all the students which are saying conversation between two people, that means talking of people between among themselves, two people, they're not the source of describing history. दो जन आपस में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो एक तरीके से it is not the source of describing history. But accounts of pilgrims, the people who travel for the religious purpose, and the travelers, plus autobiographies, diaries of the people, they are important sources. Clear? Next, the archives of India came up in
1920s, B. 1920s.
Ma'am, 1920.
1920s.
okay.
Ma'am, 1920.
Okay. You are only answering me, or you are writing in the notebook also the answers? Because when I will ask the notebook for checking, I will see this revision work also to be done in the notebook. On all the answers. है ना? Answer लिखा होना चाहिए. Okay, so the National Archives of India came up in 1920s. Very good. Nikita has shown me. Preet, you also show your notebook. Preet, Mehak, Shubham, yes. Yes, Shubham has also shown. Good. Yes, good. Preet has also shown very neatly, and do the work very neatly, okay? Vineet, can you show me the notebook? Anjali?
मैम शो की है मैम.
Okay. Vineet is showing, very good. And do the work very neatly, okay? Yes, Shubham. Good. And Anjali and all, what happened? Anjali, Jayashri, you are not doing the work? Anjali and Jayashri.
मैम मैंने वर्क कर लिया.
अरे अभी ये रिवीजन वर्क कर रहे हैं क्या आपने?
यस मैम रिवीजन वर्क कर लिया.
Then why you are not able to show me? Why you are not able to show me, बेटा? And जयश्री कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो you let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ yes.
मैम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम है.
अच्छा तो okay, no problem then. And जयश्री?
मैम पीसी पे कैमरा नहीं लगा हुआ।
Okay, okay, no problem. कोई बात नहीं. But can you answer? Can you answer? Can you give me the answer? आप आंसर तो दे सकते
Yes,
हैं ना?
ma'am.
Okay. So now for the next question, Jayashri and Anjali will answer. Okay, so that I can know that they are paying attention also, na? Fill in the blanks. Dash was the first Governor General of India. Who? Anjali or Jayashri? Who will speak out? Dash was the first Governor General.
James Mill.
Ma'am B.
First Governor General.
Ma'am option B.
Warren Hastings.
Yes. Jayashri was who was Jayashri? No, Jayashri was giving the and who else was telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India. Those who have written Warren Hastings, then put a tick mark that is with the pencil. Okay, with the pencil, and those who have written wrong, any other option you have written, then write down the correct option over there. उसको cut करके उसको correct option लिखिए. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India. Next, scholars who write histories are called as. Scholars who write history are called as. Now, any other person, any other student?
D. Historians.
Yes, D historians. If you have written historians, then it is correct one. Otherwise, any other option you have written for this, scholars who write histories are called. Any other option, ancient, Warren Hastings, then it is wrong. Write down the correct option as historians. Clear? Next is earlier period of history is known as.
Ancient.
Ancient.
Yes. Yes.
Ancient time.
Ancient. Yes, good. Sorry. This ancient.
Ma'am, what is
11th
answer of
one, 10th
question
one,
10?
नीचे वाला कर रहे हो
Ma'am,
मैम
what
ऊपर
is
वाला
answer of question 10
Wait,
and 11?
wait, I'm doing with my cursor. No, that is what it is with my mouse. So here, the earlier period of history is known as here. This one will be the correct one. Okay.
Ma'am, 10th?
Wait. 10th. Scholars who write histories are called as historians. Okay. And here will be the ancient. And 12th now. Dash is an expert in writing documents with beautiful handwriting.
Calligraphers.
Good.
C.
Option C will be correct. Calligraphist. And listen. Hello. Charvi, switch off your mic. Charvi. Now listen. I'm not able to see all your notebooks, but I hope everybody is writing the word also. Not only the A, B, C, but word also is written, है ना? जिसने दिखाया अभी तो सब वो लिख रहे हैं, उनका तो सबका चेक कर लिया, बट जो नहीं दिखा पा रहा है, वो भी ध्यान रखिए कि you have to write down the word itself, okay? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're an expert in writing documents with beautiful handwriting, calligraphist. 12th answer. Next. Dash was a Scottish economics and political leader.
James Mill.
Yes, James Mill. Yes, this will be James Mill. Okay. So I hope till here everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now state whether true or false. Now you have to write down true or false for each statement. First is Lawrence was the prominent viceroy of India.
False.
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 Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. False.
Lawrence mention is not given in our first lesson. No?
No.
First lesson, any option is given, anything is given about it. Lawrence, full name,
No, ma'am.
nothing is mentioned about this. But if you are going to read the history, it is that Lawrence was a prominent viceroy of India.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So it will be true. This is I had given from my
Ma'am,
side
true.
only. Lawrence was the yes. ये open your book. Open your book. It is given on page number 3. See, last viceroy was Lord Mountbatten. In separate chapters, we will read about the deeds of others. Others, in the names of others, it is written Hastings, Wellesley, Bentinck, Dalhousie, Canning, Lawrence. It is given in your book, beta. That is why I am asking you to write down true. When all the names are given of the viceroys, in that among that the Lawrence name is also
मैम
given.
कहाँ पे दिया हुआ है वो आपको
ये
बताइए।
पेज नंबर 3 फर्स्ट लाइन जहां पर वॉरेन हेस्टिंग की फोटोग्राफ दी हुई है यहाँ कोने में फर्स्ट ऊपर
Yes, ma'am.
दिया है पेज नंबर 3 जहाँ वॉरेन हेस्टिंग की पिक्चर दी गई है यहाँ पर फोटोग्राफ दी गया है वहां पर उस पेज पे फर्स्ट 2 लाइन्स में देखिए आप सेकेंड लाइन में लिखा है लॉरेंस फर्स्ट वर्ड।
यस मैम लिखा हुआ है लॉरेंस।
हाँ तो अब आ गया समझ गए दिस इज
लिप्टन रिपन भी लिखा हुआ है।
हाँ so this will be what?
एंड हर्डिंग।
So this will be what? Lawrence was a prominent viceroy of India. This will be what now?
True.
True. So this will be now true. Okay. So this is not out of course. That means. Now next is Curzon was the Governor General of India.
False.
Curzon. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Curzon was the. It will be.
False. False.
फॉल्स।
It is telling that Governor General, but it is a viceroy. Viceroy ने दिया इसका नाम है ना? Hello, Charvi, mute yourself, beta. Curzon was a Governor General. It is written, but इनका नाम कहाँ दिया गया है? Viceroy में, है ना? So it will be.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be false. Clear this much? Next is James Mill published a newspaper in
True.
James Mill did not publish a newspaper. That is false. 3 volume 3 volume work है ना तो वो न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है 3 volume work massive work था वो so this will be false. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next
Yes मैम।
next one. We need to divide history into different periods. True or false?
True.
Yes, this will be true. This will be true. Next,
True.
False।
True.
False.
False.
Speaking false.
True.
True.
wait. Let me speak.
False।
British came to India to know about their great culture. Culture के बारे में.
True.
Yes, ma'am.
False।
True.
False.
किसके लिए आए थे वो बेटा? The British came to India to know about its great culture for trade. वो trade के लिए आए थे सबसे पहले. Yes or no?
Yes मैम।
हाँ, they were expected by the rich heritage और वो मतलब spices and all वो से trading के लिए आए थे. So it will be false. Clear? Next, history deals with the changes that occur.
False.
History deals with the changes that occur over time. It will be true. जो टाइम टू टाइम चेंजेस हुए हैं पास्ट से लेकर अभी प्रेजेंट तक वो सब स्टडी कहाँ करते हैं हम हिस्ट्री में. लास्ट जेम्स विल डिवाइड इंडियन हिस्ट्री इनटू 3 periods.
True.
Yes.
True. Last true.
So,
Yes. James will divide Indian history into 3 periods. Last one is true. Clear? So first true, then 15 and 16 false. Then again 17 true, 18 false, 19 and 20 true. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope this revision work you have completed in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Next, this is the revision work. Very good. This is the revision work we have done now. Anjali is able to show. Yes, good. So this revision work we have done as of history. Now next in the coming week, I am going to give you a particular date in which you will do the revision work. Not hard. Revision will be given on the Google Form link. Clear? Google Form में मैं आपका revision लूंगी, and in that history, civics and geography, all the 3 lessons which are coming in periodic assessment 1, they will be included. अभी तो सिर्फ हिस्ट्री का लिया है, अभी जब गूगल फॉर्म में लूंगी मैं तो गूगल फॉर्म पे तीनों लेसन्स का लूंगी मैं. क्लियर? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू अर्लियर ओनली. मैं ग्रुप में इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी कि इस डेट पे मैं एसएसटी का ले रही हूँ गूगल फॉर्म पे. ठीक है ना? तो वो लिंक भी सेंड कर दूंगी. लिंक तो आपको उसी दिन सेंड करूंगी जिस दिन लूंगी, बट
मैम
इंफॉर्मेशन
आप व्हाट्सएप पे करोगे या स्कूल पोर्टल पे?
व्हाट्सएप पे आपका जो है ना ग्रुप, उसमें मैं आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दे दूंगी. ठीक है ना? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. टुडे यू एंजॉय द रिवीजन वर्क और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am. Enjoyed.
Enjoy the revision work. So now continue learning. I also enjoyed a lot with you doing this revision. Everybody was very much eager to answer. I hope everybody has completed geography and civics.
मैम जब आप
also.
रिवीजन टेस्ट लोगे
हाँ जी. हेलो.
तो मैम ग्रुप में एक बार इंफॉर्मेशन दे देना.
Yes,
हाँ
ma'am.
हाँ. Yes. Yes. What happened?
मैम सारे सब्जेक्ट तो एक साथ लोगे क्या?
हाँ. अब वो जो गूगल फॉर्म पे लूंगी, जैसे पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में सारे सब्जेक्ट का मतलब हिस्ट्री सिविक्स ज्योग्राफी तीनों का एक साथ होगा, वैसे ही इसमें भी अब मैं गूगल फॉर्म पे जब लूंगी जब वो तीनों सब्जेक्ट का
टेस्ट.
हाँ हाँ होल कोर्स
टेस्ट.
हाँ होल कोर्स टेस्ट, ताकि आपको पता लग जाए कि कैसे पैटर्न में गूगल फॉर्म पे कैसे देना है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम अवेलेबल होगा व्हाट्सएप पे या गूगल फॉर्म पे?
लिंक मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे लिंक, पहले तो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगी मैं, उसके बाद लिंक व्हाट्सएप पे भी आपका हो तो व्हाट्सएप पे भी दे दूंगी और पोर्टल पे भी दे दूंगी. ठीक है ना? बट दैट विल बी फॉर योर रिवीजन वर्क.
यस
ओके.
मैम.
आई होप
Yes,
नाउ
ma'am.
एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर.
यस
और
मैम.
हाँ, और उसके बाद अगर कोई क्लास आती है हमारी, पहले तो गूगल फॉर्म पे लूंगी मैं एक टेस्ट, रिवीजन टेस्ट ओवरऑल. उसके बाद भी अगर कोई क्लास आती है अगर एग्जाम से पहले.
वो कब है?
हाँ जी.
टेस्ट कब है?
वो टेस्ट मैं आपको अभी डिसाइड करके बताती हूँ आपको. ठीक है ना? मैं पहले वो देख लूँ. दूसरी टीचर्स भी दे रही है ना आप लोगों को टेस्ट, रिवीजन टेस्ट
हाँ.
फॉर्म पे. हाँ.
यस मैम.
तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर मैं देखती हूँ और आपको देती हूँ. ठीक है ना?
यस मैम.
Okay, now that's all for today. Please type once again present in the chat box so that I can understand how many are still present in the class for your attendance, and then you can leave the class. That's all for today. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye,